नमस्ते, मैं हूं पायल रोहातगी। आज मैं आपके साथ इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्कस करने वाली हूं कि कैसे फाइजर वाज बुलिंग वेरियस गवर्नमेंट्स। वो फाइजर जिस कंपनी का प्रमोशन सस्ता इन्फ्लुएंसर चेतन भगत कर रहा था अगेंस्ट कोविशील्ड एंड कोवैक्सीन। नाउ फाइजर्स डीलिंग विद अर्जेंटीना इज ऑन पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म। दैट इंफॉर्मेशन इज शेयर्ड बाय अ वीडियो शेयर्ड बाय वियॉन न्यूज। तो ये वीडियो के अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन ये आती है कि फाइजर वांटेड इम्यूनिटी अगेंस्ट negligence. Now this is something which is not acceptable. It was not acceptable to the government in Argentina. It should never be acceptable to any government anywhere in the country, because when you are providing vaccine to your citizens, you cannot say that the vaccine cannot be held accountable for its side effects if it has side effects. Because यहाँ पर अगर कोई citizen को कोई side effects होता है and that lawsuit is filed against Pfizer, then Pfizer is not held accountable. Pfizer wanted the government to be held accountable, that government that hires Pfizer to provide vaccine to its citizens. Now this is completely not acceptable. Also Pfizer wanted collateral adjustments like military bases and government building adjustments, which I don't know made what kind of sense, but that is what has been discussed in the video shared by YN News. So I am just trying to understand why are the likes of Chetan Bhagat and Barkha Dutt, who are obviously spreading stories and creating a lot of panic, which might be truthful, which to a larger extent, but why are they trying to promote Pfizer instead of promoting Covishield and Covaxin, which are homegrown vaccines? Why do they want to promote Pfizer, which is involved in just bullying governments, when it should be just doing more humanitarian work in terms of providing these life-saving vaccines to various countries and saving the citizens who are fighting against coronavirus? But Pfizer looks like somebody wanting to take advantage of the coronavirus second wave, maybe having a role more than what meets the eye in obviously spreading the Chinese virus. Namaste, Jai Hind.